NASA will make history by launching its Lucy mission to study the Trojan asteroids. The 12-year mission will send the craft to 8 asteroids ahead of and behind Jupiter that have never been explored before. And earlier today, I talked with Cory Prykull, the Assembly, Test, and Launch Operations Lead for Lucy mission and a Peters Township native about what they hope to find. So I'm really excited to talk to you about this Lucy mission, and I figured we'll just jump right into it. And first things first, though, I wanted to ask you to tell us a little bit about what exactly Trojan asteroids are, because I had never even heard of them.
So the Trojan asteroids are really the last small bodies out in our solar system that we really haven't explored. So the Trojan asteroids are really, we call them 2 camps or 2 clusters of asteroids that are in front of Jupiter and behind Jupiter. And these asteroids have kind of been drawn to these areas because it's a gravity stable area in our solar system. And scientists believe that these Trojan asteroids are going to act like fossils because we believe they're the remnant material from the formation of the outer planets of our solar system. So these asteroids are around 4 billion years old, and they represent what we had for building blocks of the outer planets.
In what ways will we be able to study them?
So the Lucy spacecraft is going to launch from Earth, and it's going to take an awesome trajectory, kind of a rock tour, if you will, around the solar system. And as we fly by these Trojan asteroids, we're going to be able to observe them at much closer distances than any of our Earth-based observation telescopes or things like that, which really just give us fuzzy pictures. So when we fly by, we're going to be able to understand basically what their compositions are, how big they are, if they're scarred from previous impacts, things like that. And interestingly enough, we'll be able to determine how much they really weigh out in space. And that's going to really enlighten us as to how those outer solar system planets were formed and born.
Mm-hmm. Am I correct that I read that there are 8 of them?
So the Lucy mission by the numbers is 1 spacecraft, 8 asteroids that we're going to go and take a look at over 12 years. So our first encounter is going to be a main belt asteroid, Donald Johanson. And so once we take a look at him, then we're going to go explore 7 additional Trojan asteroids.
What are the challenges of hopping from asteroid to asteroid, so to speak?
So there are immense challenges of hopping from asteroid to asteroid. So we are a remote sensing mission, meaning we're going to fly by it and we're going to point our science instruments at these asteroids and take a bunch of pictures from a distance. So we're going to be going around 34,000 miles per hour as we zip past these asteroids. So getting pictures of those as we come hurtling by is obviously a challenge. So we've developed a lot of specialized software in order to track these asteroids as we go flying past to get these pictures. And we'll be making these big ellipses in and out of the solar system. So basically going from really cold outside to really, really warm closer into the sun is going to be really difficult on the spacecraft, but we're ready as a spacecraft to do that.
Any way for the public to follow along with this mission and to feel like they're involved?
Absolutely. So most importantly, join us for the launch. October 16th at 5:34 a.m. Watch and get excited with us there. Follow along with NASA's social media. There's going to be lots broadcasted there. And if you are an undergraduate in college, you can join the L Space Academy and really understand what it takes to put pen to paper to reality in building a spacecraft and implement these NASA missions.
Well, Cory, thank you so much for your time. So nice to meet a Pittsburgh guy that is involved in something so awesome and literally out of this world.
Thank you so much. Go Atlas, go Centaur, and go Lucy, the first spacecraft of the Trojan asteroids.